Tatlong tips na pwede mong gawin kapag may nangiinsulto sa'yo. 1. Titigan mo lang. Pagkatapos niya magbitiw ng insulto, huwag kang sumagot. Tignan mo lang siya. Ipakita mo
like sugar on my tongue, tongue, tongue. Your body is so sweet, sweet, sweet. Invite.
Don't really care if you're not coming in tonight. If you wanna stay with me and we can both call it the night. Body get reasons that you got. They say love me, you put me Chanel. They say love me, you put me Chanel. They say love.
Go me, go me, go me, go me, go me, go me, go me. Get 'em out, get 'em. I'll listen to my heart this time, so I lay it on the line. I know that what I found is once in a lifetime.
Bakit sabi mas mukha ka pang lalaki kesa sa akin? Hindi ko maipaliwanag ang lahat. Ikaw ang laging ikaw ang laging
Bigyan ng magandang gamit, tingnan natin sa lamig. Ikaw ang laman ng passenger seat, empty road, four-seater para meron tayong space sa likod. Ating sulitin ang hamog, magsisilbi na tatlo.
Every day I'm getting closer and closer. Dog, your girlfriend wants to be mine. She calls me all the time, that lets me know I'm on her mind.
Just for me. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your own.
mo ko natawagan anytime tonight. Kapag ako ay kailangan, I'll be there by your side. Kung gusto mo makalimot, come on, let's take a ride. I just